from us, from our family.
Thank you.
Let's open this
Christmas.
too.
Oh, this is from Ima. For you.
Wow, sila.
This is for
Ima.
me.
Wow.
Dami ah.
Wow!
This is your
Paglaruan.
Hindi niya alam kung paano.
You like it, darling?
This is mine. Yay!
Yay!
Ayan. Kay Nina Michelle from Taxi Family.
Wow, thank you.
Okay naman.
Okay na.
Ha?
Okay na.
Okay na.
Go, Elizabeth, it's
Daddy
yours.
and Mommy. Ah, they have lots of gifts.
Wow.
Oh, sa akin. Wow, this is very Wow, what can you say?
Wow. Wow.
Talaga ah. Ano na?
Wow.
This one. It's for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
Open it.
Open it, open it. You show it, you show it. Wow, it's a pink.
I like
This one. This one.
Ito. What did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Grandma. Dami po nito. Wow.
Sayang yung papel ay ano?
Yung gift namin, parang sinadyan. Nilagay mo ba yung mga price tag? Oo. Oo, kasi kung para ano, hindi namin tinanggal, para kung sakaling gusto nyong ipapalit, acceptable pa rin. Yun.
Nabuksan tong kay Daddy ah.
Lagi na.
Pareho sila ng size na. Kasi maliit lang na maagwa nilang dala ni
Wow! What would you say, Zoe?
Hindi ka.
And then get
Yung ganda, bagay nila.
Oo nga.
I this for me.
Yes, I bought it for you, darling.
My baby.
Do you like my present for you?
My baby. Yo,
Okay.
my baby.
Yes, that's your